What is the meaning of life? What is the secret behind a happy and a long life? How is it that some people know what they need to do and pursue it with great passion while the rest of us are languishing in confusion? These are some of the soul searching questions that have been answered in the book Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a happy and a long life. This book has been co authored by Hector Garcia and Francis Miralles. This was published in the year 2016 and has been a bestseller, sold more than 1 million copies the world over. Hector Garcia was born in Europe, settled in Japan in the year 2004, and has been writing a number of books on the Japanese culture. Coming to the content of this book, let us first address the word ikigai and what it means. Well, ikigai is that which makes us get up from the bed in the mornings, having a plan to pursue what we want to do. Ikigai is also that which makes people have an inner satisfaction and fulfillment. Literally, it translates as the happiness of always being busy. When the authors visited Japan, stayed there in the small village of Ogimi on the island of Okinawa, where the largest number of centenarians are present in the world over. There are 24 people out of 1 lakh people in Ogimi who are of the age of 100 and above. This is something that perturbed the authors, and that's why they shared with us the life's lessons from more than 100 interviews that they have conducted there with the centenarians. Some of the findings were that the Japanese are active even after they retire, and most of them do not retire. They continue doing what they love to do as long as their health supports them. The findings from these interviews of the centenarians were that most Japanese people, they like to take things slowly. They're never hurried, they know the art of relaxing, and they always keep themselves busy and moving. In spite of their increasing age, if they are not able to exercise, what they do is just move, maybe a little bit of gardening or walking. Another important aspect that came to the surface was that their diet is mainly vegetarian, fruits and vegetables with very less meat content. They do eat fish for a couple of times in a week. Added to this, they also take a mix of a tea of green leaves plus jasmine flowers, which they call as sanpin cha, and they take it 3 times a day, and they believe this is the secret for their longevity. Apart from this, the authors have attributed a chapter for the philosophies of the logotherapy as well as the Morita therapy. And they also stress on one very important aspect known as going with the flow. The Japanese have a skill of turning the most mundane of tasks into something very enjoyable. There are a few supermarkets in Tokyo which employ people to operate the elevators. Now, these elevators are something which the common man, the customers who go to these supermarkets, can operate by themselves, all by themselves, very easily. But then these people prefer giving the service of someone, the operator of the elevator, holding the door for you, welcoming you with a greeting, bowing when you exit. Now, the authors, when they asked one of the lady who has been working there from the year 2006, they came to know that in fact, what she was doing routinely was not a routine at all. It was not mechanical. The way she would hold the door very gracefully, give a sing-song greeting when the customers entered the elevator, bowed and smiled and waved them goodbye with her hand was something most appealing an appealing experience for all the customers. Listeners, this has really been a wonderful book for me, an experience, especially for this. I recommend this book for those people who are not big on self-help books. This is a short, sweet, easy reading book which can be read in a span of a couple of hours, and great lessons to be learned from this book. I give this book a rating of 4.5 out of 5 for the only reason that people who are looking for a magic formula to be given in this book to find their ikigai has not been given. The writers leave it to the readers to find, to discover their own ikigai. For each one of us has a different ikigai. Thank you so much, viewers. I look forward to your suggestions and comments in the comments box, which would be very encouraging for me to further conduct these book reviews for you. Thank you.